Okay, moment of truth, moment of truth. You ready?
It's turning, okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Hey, I'm Raph.
And I'm Dan.
And we're part of the Pixetto team. So ever since we started work at VIA, we've been working tirelessly to bring Pixetto into the hands of more and more people. And we've just been astounded at all the different problems that it's been able to solve.
But during the Christmas period, there's one problem that we're still trying to solve, and that's being able to deliver Christmas presents around the office.
And so since we're a bunch of tech guys, there was only one obvious solution to that. Building our own autonomous sleigh.
This one don't need no reindeer.
Hey.
How this works is VIA Pixetto can detect different kind of patterns, kind of barcodes called April tags. And what these can do is they can provide specific instructions on where to drive the sleigh. So if we want to send Christmas presents to people, all we have to do is tell it where to go, and then it can set off and deliver all the presents we want.
And there are definitely still a lot of things that we need to sort out with what we're calling the Saint Nixetto, but we want to document the entire process of constructing it, just to show all you makers out there how to actually use the Saint Nixetto for your own projects. So without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas indeed. So what we're trying to do now is we're trying to implement an existing tutorial that you can find on the VIA Pixetto website.
Link in the description.
And so the tutorial is all about implementing a self-driving car using this kit that we have here, which is based on an Arduino.
So what we're doing is we're using the Arduino IDE to program this, and we're following the tutorial we already have. So we can have kind of like a basic start point which we can work off.
So we've never actually implemented this before, and so we're expecting a few bumps along the way, but you know, that's all about the maker life. That's what it's all about.
That's what it's about.
Exactly. So yeah, let's see how well we can do with this. So as you can see from all the coding that we did, Dan has fallen asleep. And so we're going to try and upload this to the Arduino now, and we'll see how well this code actually works. Moment of truth, Dan. Let's see how we go. So what are we doing here?
First it's compiling, so if there's any... Oh, there we go.
Compilation error. What error do we have here?
Oh, we didn't install the library.
Okay, we need to install the library first.
Good thing I've got a library card, eh?
Hey, did we download it?
We didn't download it.
We didn't download it.
Oh, we'll check back in. Oh, 100, yes.
What's happened now, Dan?
We're compiling the sketch.
Is it working? That's what we're trying to do.
Yes!
Yes, it compiled successfully. Now we just need to transfer it onto the car. I'm gonna press the button. Are you scared, Dan? Oh, look at that. Okay, what's happening there?
Oh!
Serial port not selected. Dan, we need to select the serial port. What is going on here?
Look, man, I'm just doing my job. I'm just...
Okay.
Oh, it's on tools.
Com6, that's what we need.
Com6.
Yeah.
It's done uploading. Here we go.
Nice, there we go, Dan.
Actually, it should be working. I don't know why it's not doing anything.
Turn the car around. Is it connected to power?
It is what it is.
Plug the USB cord into the Arduino. Interesting. So the Arduino seems to be turning on, but the Pixetto isn't. That's a bit weird. Why is it doing that?
Do you know what? I've got questions and I haven't got answers, but I'm here to find those answers.
Exactly. So it's time for a bit of disassembling, don't you think?
Yes.
So what are we doing, Dan?
Trying a different Arduino board.
So we're going to try and do some troubleshooting now, and we've connected the Pixetto onto the Arduino board, and it seems to have turned on. That's a bit strange.
That's what's supposed to happen.
Yeah, I know, but like it's strange that it turns on for this Arduino board, but it doesn't turn on for this one. I have a sneaking suspicion that it might have to do with this expansion board. Is there a way that we could connect that expansion board onto this?
Well, we'll find out.
Okay, let's give it a go.
It's going out, it's going.
It's going in. Come on, push it in. Oh, good push. Can we connect the Pixetto to the UART of this one? So the UART refers to a particular port on the expansion board. Interesting. I think there might actually be something wrong with the expansion board here. We can't really use this one either because it doesn't have all of the ports for the car, right?
I think we're missing something.
Yeah, I definitely think we're missing something. What should we do about this?
We should find out.
Let's do some research. Let's go. So we figured out what the problem is. We're actually missing a very, very obvious part of the car. Ta-da! So we were missing this the entire time. We were missing a battery pack. Now that we have this, hopefully things will start looking up for us. Here we are. Plug it in. Oh wow, the wheels are moving. Whoa, what's going on there? The wheels are moving. Is he?
Yeah, it's supposed to. I think it's supposed to. Yeah, the
Pixetto's on?
Pixetto's on.
Oh, what? Whoa, okay. What's happening now?
Mate, I don't know.
What is going on? It's working. It's moving. It's moving. Go
Poor
on.
Arduino.
The Arduino, it got crushed.
It's working. Kids are getting their presents this year.
I want to never give up when it comes to coding. We'll definitely fail like so many times in the process, but this is what we do it for.
For the children.
I think this is a pretty good start. Should we go test this out? Okay. Alright, Dan, so what are we doing now?
We're testing to see if it stops.
What do you got going on?
Making a car that delivers a sleigh. A reindeer and a sleigh.
We need to test whether it can travel in a straight line. Would you do the honors, Alex, of holding the April tag? Okay, moment of truth, moment of truth. You ready?
It's turning, okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Stop, yeah.
Was it supposed to stop?
Yeah, thanks, Alex.
Thank you, Alex.
You're definitely on the nice list.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Dan, the man with the plan. We're back in the lab. So as you can see, I think we've had a pretty productive day. We've managed to figure out why the Pixetto wasn't turning on when we connected it to this thing. And it goes to show that you should never overlook the basics. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Follow us on social media. Keep up to date with our latest videos. Keep on watching because we have many more videos to come in this series of Say Nixetto videos. So with that being said, hope you all have a good day and we'll see you soon. Bye.